Alrighty guys, look at what I found in La Crosse. That's right, we're here at the Lime Tower here in La Crosse.
That's pretty cool.
It is a square button US, 9 floors. It's nuts. Just also look at the elevator sign there too. I got took over the music, but secret wish. These are actually buttons too. Look. Yeah, all those are buttons. Button here, button here, button here. That's so weird. US elevators are always weird. And here it is. Holy crap. Yo. That's cool. Alrighty, let's go down to B. Yo, this is cool. Square button US. Here at the basement. Ooh, what a creepy basement. Super creepy. Bathroom down here too. Wow. He's open straight up to some lot. That's funny. It's a nice cab. Actually, it's a curb fixture, but obviously this is a US distributor. This is cool. And that's it flowing in here this way. Look at that. Let's go to 1. I hate that bathroom. This thing is so interesting. Yeah, if I could get out. Yeah. No stupid US. But yeah, this is definitely an interesting building. It's like 1 tenant per floor. But yeah, I find these things really interesting. But yeah, I guess that is gonna be it for me.